Hi folks, it's David with DS1 Phone Systems, and I just wanted to give you a little tour of our cloud-based phone system with this video, and also to let you know about a promotion we're running this month where we're giving away free phones, free installation, and free setup. More on that after the video though, so stay tuned. Okay, our phone system is based in the cloud. So our portal is located at pbx.ds1phonesystems.com. We give you a secure login name and password. You click login and go into the portal. Once logged into the portal, you'll notice that we're on the home screen. Now this is a demonstration for you. This is not an actual customer site. If you had any live calls, they would show up at the bottom here under current and active calls. So the interface you're seeing here is what all of our clients see when they log into their phone system. Click on the users. As you can see, we have 4 users on here. You can click on the name of the user. Then all you have to do is fill in the fields for their name. Scroll down a little lower. You can see that you have an email address box. This is for our voicemail to email function. Any voicemails that are left on the personal voicemail boxes of the users will be sent as a copy to their email address. Next, we have the auto attendant. The auto attendant is set up by greetings. Each of these greetings correspond to a different time of day. So let's click on the day greeting to show you that. The day greeting can be played by simply pressing the play button here. You click this manage audio button here, and it opens up a window for you to make changes to the greeting. You can click this download button to download any previous greetings if you wanted to save them. You could click this upload and upload from your computer or your network, or you could click this record button. It will call you at your extension and you can make the new recording right here by clicking on the call button. So right here on the dial pad menu, you could program this yourself. Press 1 and this goes to a particular person's extension. Press 2, this could go to a voicemail box. Press 3 can go to a company directory. Press 4 can go to a message that is played, like directions to your office. And you could set up any of these yourself, or we could set them up for you free of charge. Our next feature on our cloud-based phone system is music on hold or messaging on hold. You can upload your own custom music or messaging on hold simply by clicking on the Add Music button and browsing to the file on your computer or your network and clicking Upload. Next, we have our Call Reporting button. This will show you all calls that have come in to your company, and you can filter these calls by clicking on the Filter button, and you can choose it by dates. You could run it by user extension, department, a phone number, or the type of call type, inbound, outbound, or missed calls. These calls could be set as a schedule and be emailed to you automatically so you know the calls that are coming into your company and the calls that are going out by your employees. Another very popular feature on our phone system is the ability to block telemarketers. So you'll go into the users. We set up all of our customers with a main phone number routing extension. You click on the answering rules, and then up here we have a box that's called Allow Block. You can put in a phone number into the blocked field, hit the plus sign, and that phone number will no longer be able to reach your phone system ever. We also subscribe to Robocaller that blocks all of the robocalls that are being generated by insurance companies and all the telemarketing companies that are using this service. Our service also comes with an internet fax option. Internet fax is very popular. It's been around for 20 years. For our internet fax service, all incoming faxes go to your email address as a PDF. So you don't actually need to log into the phone system to see any incoming faxes. You could just simply check your email. But if you need to send out a fax, you'll click on the fax button up here at the top, click on the send fax button, and then you have options for your cover page. Choose your fax document that you'd like to send. Your caller ID will be populated here once your number is ported. You put in the number of the phone number that you're trying to fax to and simply click send. You'll also get a fax confirmation in your email that your fax has gone through. So the phones that come with our service are made by Yealink. These are 21-button speaker phones that are very high quality speaker phones. They're full duplex, meaning you can have these phones on speakerphone and not even realize that you're on a speakerphone call. The 21 buttons allow you to see all of the other extensions in your office. If the indication next to the employee is red, they're on their phone. If it's green, they're available. So these phones plug directly into the internet. There's a port on the back of them that plugs directly into the wall. It's labeled internet, and a second cable comes from the manufacturer Yealink to plug back into the PC. So no additional cabling is needed for these phones. Your existing cabling will work just fine. Our system also comes with a smartphone app. The smartphone app works in conjunction with your existing extension desk phone that we just showed you. So the way this works is your smartphone app gets downloaded onto your smartphone and works in conjunction with your extension. What this means is when your extension rings, the smartphone app will ring at the same time. So you can control that by going into the app and putting it do not disturb or turning the ringer down. There's also additional ringers that are available with the smartphone app, so you can change it from your standard ringer on your cell phone, and then you'll know that that's a business call. As you can see from this interface, it's very easy to figure out how to make calls on our smartphone app. We also have indications of voicemail, as I'm showing you right here. If you have any new voicemails, a number will appear on this voicemail envelope. You can also see the contacts within your organization, as well as import your contacts from your cell phone. We have messaging available, so text messages can be sent to your business number and be received through the app. You can go through your call history and call your customers back using the app. And the last button on here gives you the indication of the other users that are in the office, so you can see if they're in the office or unavailable. Next, as you can see from the in-call options screen, this operates exactly like your desk phone. So you will be able to transfer calls to other employees within the office and use all of the functionality of your phone right here using the smartphone app. The other thing that's very beneficial is any calls that go out using the smartphone app will actually send out your business number, not your personal cell phone number. So you can receive calls incoming and sending out as if you were in the office at any given time. Thank you for checking out our cloud-based phone system. Now, on to the promotion. We are offering free phones, free installation, and free setup. Yes, that means you pay nothing. We come into your office, we put new phones on your desk, we get them up and working, and you pay nothing. Plus, the best part is you're going to save money off of your phone bill. We have one customer last year that saved $800 off of his phone bill. No kidding. So act today. Send me an email, david@ds1phonesystems.com, or check out further contact information underneath this video. Thanks and have a great day.